Did you know that selling gift cards is a great way to promote your business? Let's talk about it. Well, a gift card can be either a physical or an online voucher that people can buy and give to someone they care about. Selling gift cards on your website can be a great way to bring in new customers, to boost your existing customer loyalty, and also to increase revenue, which is usually our main goal. Am I right? Think about it this way. If your customers' friends have never heard about your business, but they receive a gift card, they will most likely visit your website to redeem their gift card. And this way, you have the chance to turn them into new loyal customers. But if they don't end up visiting your website or redeeming their gift card, well, then at least your margins just got bigger. The gift card feature is part of our website builder business and e-commerce solution, and it comes at no extra cost if you already have this plan. A lot of our customers are already using this feature and having great results with it. And I'm talking about a wide range of industries here. That goes from hairdressers, restaurants, online retailers, and much, much more. The great news is that if you're not yet a business and e-commerce client, you can upgrade for free until your next renewal. So, if you have just signed up or renewed your plan, you could have an online shop using the business and e-commerce solution and a lot of other useful features that are included with it up to 1 year for free. So, if you want to upgrade, which you probably do, log into your control panel and select the Go to Online Shop button. From there, you will have all the information about the website builder, business and e-commerce. And all you gotta do is click on upgrade and then approve it. After that, you're all set. So just click on continue to online shop where you'll be able to access the gift card feature. Just to show you how easy it is to create gift cards, I'll walk you through this process step by step. If you follow me until now, you should be on the online shop admin. Otherwise, just access it from the control panel. Now, from the online shop admin, you need to make sure you set up the payment options correctly, which is under settings, because that will be very important for you to get paid whenever you sell anything on your online shop. If you sell other products online, you should also have them and the online shop published. If you have not done it yet, I'll leave a link here in the description so you can see how to add products and publish your online shop. So back to the gift card. To start creating one, you first need to go to Products on the menu and click on Add Product button. Start adding the basic information here, like the title and the description, but take your time. You can always pause this video to fill that up, because a good title and description will probably help you to sell better. Also consider including a customized image to your gift cards so it reflects your shop identity, because that could help you to improve your conversion rates considerably. After that, you can add the gift card to an existing product category or add a new category. You should also add search keywords, because those things will help your customers to find the gift card on your shop. There's also the option of adding a promotional label, which will show a text on the image of your product, like a bestseller or an on sale stamp, for example. If you are ready to start selling your gift cards, you can check the option visible so people can find it on the shop page already, or hidden so no one can view the product just yet. After you have included all the basic information, go ahead and fill the pricing and quantity section. You can include the amount of gift cards you have for sale, or you could also leave it as unlimited if it is a digital product or if you have no issues with inventory. You can also change the expiration date, which is the time span in which the gift card can be used. There's also an option to limit only one order per customer, so you can do that if you wish or if it makes sense for your business. Besides that, we recommend that you add your own SKUs, which will help you with your inventory management. For the options, you can leave it unchecked, or you can also create different variants for the gift cards, like offering different price ranges as an example. For related products, you could either leave it blank as it is not a mandatory field, or you could link them to specific products or bestsellers, because that can also help you to increase your conversions. We recommend that you include information in the search engines section because it is a great tool that will help you to define how your product shows up in Google search results. Plus, it also helps you to bring in organic traffic into your website once you get ranked in Google or any other search engine actually. So, when you're finished with that, just go ahead and click on Save Product button. If you want to check if the gift card is live, just go to your shop page and the gift card should be there just like any other product. Remember that you should have marked the gift card as visible if you want to see it live on your shop. Give you an extra push with gift card promotions during the holidays could be a great strategy. People are more likely to purchase gift cards for friends and family during holiday periods, like Christmas for example, when most stores and online shops have products on sale, but yet people don't know what to buy to their loved ones, which makes a gift card a great option for them. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and follow us on social media to stay tuned for more tips on how to improve your website and your business. I hope you enjoyed it, and I see you on the next video.